Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is doing an incredible bullish candlestick pattern just above the previous support level made by the 842 and the 21 EMA as well. Now, what is this? Well, this is just probably, most likely, just a continuation of the bullish bias because so far Tesla has been doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows, and the odds are that we're going to seek the previous resistance area, maybe even our target at 955, this resistance level from May 4, 2022. Now, if you're gonna hit there or not, I don't know. We'll see in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing in order to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla, Apple, AMD, and other stocks as well. And if you wanna have access to premium analysis with more details, remember to subscribe my newsletters. Just check my website, thefinancehydra.com. The link is in the description of this video. I have two newsletters: the Market Dive daily newsletter every single day, sharing insights with you guys, and the Finance Hydra portfolio, which I share my personal portfolio with you guys. How is my portfolio doing? My performance is here. You may just click in this link and every single detail is in this public document. Remember, my performance is 100% public. I have absolutely nothing to hide because our trading methodology is quite solid. So seriously, consider subscribing our newsletters now. Back to Tesla. Yes, it is still a bull trend, and this is not going to change unless if we trade below 842 again. See how the EMA right now is catching up with the price. Now the EMA is exactly around 840. So this is a dual support level right now. This is quite good. Today's volume was not the highest, but at least was higher than yesterday's volume, indicating that right now the volume is finally starting to increase now that we hit a crystal clear support level. So, okay, the odds are that Tesla will remain bullish for now. And it is what's even more interesting. What is even more interesting is that the indices, the S&P, for instance, failed miserably in triggering its bearish candlestick pattern from yesterday because yesterday it did a very classic candlestick pattern here, called shooting star candlestick pattern. It wasn't triggered because it should have lost yesterday's low today. This is not the case. In fact, we broke yesterday's high today, so we completely denied the bearish structure on the S&P and on SPY as well. SPY did the bearish engulfing today. Again, we are breaking yesterday's high, so we are completely frustrating any bearish thesis right now. So what's up with Tesla? Well, on Tesla, specifically on Tesla, it is very good that we broke 885. This was the key point that I was talking to you guys about yesterday and this week, overall speaking, because this point was the previous resistance level. We broke it from the upside. We did an upside movement, breaking the 885, closing above it and trading consistently above this price level. So yes, right now we broke our previous resistance level, and in theory, Tesla is about to become bullish again in the 1 hour chart. Now, there's another bullish structure which maybe it's gonna work. It's called inverted head and shoulders chart pattern right now. We triggered the neckline, so okay, so far so good. We are breaking the neckline, triggering the chart pattern, which is totally bullish. We triggered a pivot point in the 1 hour chart, breaking 885. So yes, everything right now indicates that Tesla is totally bullish. Again, what could possibly make Tesla bearish again if we lose 842? Did we lose 842 yet? No, not right now. So Tesla is going to remain bullish in theory, of course. The trend is totally bullish, and as I told you guys, my target is 955. I see no particular reason to change it. As far as I know, this was just a pullback in a bull trend. In addition, what reinforces our idea of a pullback is the decrease in volume. When we see a bull trend made of higher highs, higher lows, and then a correction against the main trend with low volume, usually, most of the time indicates that yes, it is just a harmless pullback. So far so good. Tesla is doing quite well. If we analyze the weekly chart, let's complete our multiple time frame analysis. Looking the 1 hour chart, daily chart, and right now the weekly chart. I find amazing that Tesla is denying last week's shooting star candlestick pattern. Last week was a bearish week, right? We dropped it, let me see, minus 3%, did a shooting star candlestick pattern with high volume. So yeah, this is very good that we are denying, we are at least trying to reject this bearish structure. We almost retested the 21 EMA in the weekly chart, and we are already bouncing back up. This is phenomenal. I think Tesla is incredibly bullish. The next technical resistance for Tesla in the daily chart is the 955. What if we break 955? I think we're going to retest the purple trend line in the weekly chart in sequence. Okay, right now, but this is a long-term perspective. For now, let's focus on the 955. All right. Let's see if next week it's going to maintain the bullish bias. If you're still watching this video, probably you liked the content. So seriously, consider subscribing this channel and consider subscribing our newsletters as well in order to keep in touch with more analysis, more detailed analysis on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.